my name is Priti Sitarasmi, student ID number 2017051192. Okay, here I will present the result of my research entitled Analysis of the Contribution and Effectiveness of the Lodging or Villa Tax Before and After the COVID-19 Pandemic on Local Tax Revenues in the Province of Bali. Okay, this study aims to determine how the contribution of the lodging villa tax to local revenue before and after pandemic in the province of Bali. In this study, using descriptive analysis method, and the data shown in this study were obtained from the Provinsi Bali financial data in 2019 and 2020. Okay, the first about introduction. Tax is the payment of contribution by citizen to the state, and the tax paid will be used for state expenditure needs. According to the type of taxation in Indonesia, there are two types of tax. The one central taxation and two regional taxation. Bali is major tourism destination in Indonesia. The province of Bali, known as the Island of the Gods and Island of the Thousand Temples, has a strategic role in the development of Indonesia, especially the tourism sector. The tourism sector, which is expected to be one of the driving forces of the national economy, is mostly produced from the island of Bali. This is of course the construction of accommodation to support the tourism sector. The accommodation in question is the construction of lodging or the like. But however, the COVID phenomena in 2019 made all sector weaken, which result in the serious problem. Then, what about contribution of lodging villa tax in Provinsi Bali after and before the pandemic? This is actually the background of the reach. Definition of effectiveness. Effectiveness is a level of success produced by a person or organization in certain way in accordance with a goals to be achieved. Okay, next about definition of contribution. In general, contribution can be defined as an involvement given by particular individual or agency, which the position its role. Next definition, coronavirus. Coronavirus COVID-19 is a virus deadly that can be infect human and animals. The virus was the first confirmed in the province of Wuhan, China at the end of December 2019. Okay, next about result. Number A, lodging or villa tax contribution. From the table above, it can be seen that contribution of lodging villa looks less effective. It can be seen that in 2019, the contribution was only 0.3%. And for 2020, it can be seen that its contribution fell drastically, which was only 0.00015%. The decline in lodging villa tax contribution in 2020 was greatly influenced by the COVID pandemic. This is because during the 2020 pandemic, social reaction of a core of the people activities are more at home, and there are also not tourism on vacation. Okay, next number B about lodging villa tax effectiveness. The table about show the during this 2 years period in 2019 and 2020. It was generally sufficient, but in terms of effectiveness, it was still in the ineffective criteria. Let's see, in 2019, which means that is still in the ineffective criteria. And also, in 2020, this show that is still in the ineffective criteria. Okay, next about this question. The result of the study found the level of contribution the lodging villa tax in 2019 and 2020 was still said to be low. And also, the level of efficiency is still said to be very less effective. Okay, the next one, conclusion. The existence of the COVID-19 pandemic is the main factor why PAD in 2020 in Bali, especially the contribution and effectiveness in the lodging tax, has decreased drastically.